Hello, everyone. I hope you can hear me well. I'm really happy to be here. This is really an amazing thing that's happening here. We want to be part of this type of activity in the drone world. We've been studying the problem for over 6 years, been in business for 4, and the product we bring to you today has been in development for 2 years for production, and we are now happy to say that we're in production. There are many problems in the world that we need to solve through mobility. And we know that for us, a lot of these solutions that we try to create as technologists will become airborne. Are we manually? Okay. So some of these issues we deal with are global. Different kinds of faces to these problems, but basically congestion, infrastructure limitations, we're all familiar with the things we deal with as societies. And one we're getting more familiar with these days is the speed at which people expect delivery to happen, efficiency, and predictability, especially in terms of medical deliveries, which obviously is a life-saving issue. And another thing that really makes us excited about the drone industry as we delve deeper into this is that we're getting technologies that allow us from all sorts of technology sources is the navigation sources that make it more predictable. We've all seen the solution, very noble effort. It was appropriate for its time. We're seeing these new technologies get us to more usability and lower cost, and that is what we hope to show you today. And then beyond, we see a lot of large companies experimenting with the new mobility vertical takeoff with electric propulsion systems. And some interesting statistics we like to look at are, how is this going to be better just as a mechanism, in terms of quality of life? We have the noise reduction that these offer, much safer than helicopters for emergency situations, and on. The market challenges we see today in vertical mobility is system complexity, portability, and ease of setup, functionality per dollar. This is something we laser focused on in our efforts to create a product. And then our company, Siniger, our philosophy revolves around safety, cost, and reliability, because these are the things that keep you making good things for people in the future. Why do we use the configuration we use? I'd like to say we took the best of multi-copter systems we've all seen with cameras, good sound aerodynamics, and then evolve that into reduction of unnecessary parts to cut costs and more efficiency, and that's what we have today. So at this point, I thought, since our system is so easy to move around, I thought I'd just bring it up on stage and show you how versatile and easy it is. What we have here is the VTL3 by Siniger. It sets up 30 seconds, if all goes well. Stage nerves and everything. After this, you install a battery, turn it on, punch the button on your control system, and you're in the air. So this gives you the ability to be mobile, flexible from where you start. If there's a crisis, you can have a truckload of these. They're very compact. And we've seen through the development of this product that we get many more verticals also, other uses that are useful all around the world. Our statistics are at the higher levels. These are true numbers. We don't exaggerate what we do. We want to make sure that what we sell is believed. We're already selling in Asia, and we'd like to bring it to places where it's most useful, and right now we're focusing on the African continent. We come from a background of a lot of research in how we get a lot of advantages from this configuration, extensive testing, single-person operation, very key. A mildly trained person can do this. Multi-application platforms, and on and on. We're a worldwide company. We use the best talent we can find. We're very flexible this way. But our headquarters are in the Silicon Valley, and R&D occurs in Southern California, the old aerospace center of the world. And then finally, I'd like to wrap up by saying that the tenet of our company is a successful mission is a completed mission. If you don't get there, people can suffer, people will not be happy. We present here a very high-tech solution. We use top-notch manufacturing and engineering, but we've managed to keep the cost down to a mere $15,000, end-to-end software base station, and this is how we intend to penetrate all markets across the globe. We have a 10-kilogram version, 100-kilogram on the blocks, and we're going very quickly forward. We're getting good funding, and we like to be involved right here, right now. Thank you very much.